Hi everyone, I am Dr. Arman Seth, a student of Maulana Azad Medical College, New Delhi, and I would like to really thank the DAMS team and faculties for my result. My first reaction was that I am really relieved to know the result. This was because there was a lot of uncertainty that had built up over the last week, and I really didn't know how my paper had gone. This year's paper was a sort of an unexpected type of paper. So when I first saw my result, I was relieved that wow, the result has first come. And then after that, I really felt happy that I had secured a rank 9 in this year's exam. And so then I really enjoyed that time. So I feel that my preparation had various stages. The first stage of my preparation began the very day I joined college. So in my first and second year, the faculty of my college was really good, and at that time my only aim was to just be able to study all the standard textbooks and build my concepts well. Then when I reached my third year, at that time I had joined DAMS. All my seniors told me that third year mein ho to DAMS to jana hi hai. So at that time I joined DAMS. In the beginning I felt that I am giving my whole weekend to these classes, as the classes were 12-hour long classes from 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. So at that time it felt really tiring. But since all my friends went there, so we all passed our time and we enjoyed the classes a lot. The notes were really good and we really enjoyed that time. And by the end of third year, when I really found out that I finished my third and final year, that was a great feeling. Then in the final year, just after 2 months, a lockdown was imposed. So in the beginning we felt the lockdown will only be for a short duration. But then later when we found out it is not going to end anytime soon, then the DAMS team came forward to help us. All the classes were organized online, and so therefore the schedule that we had started in our third year could be carried forward even in the lockdown. We attended all the classes, and then after that I could solve all the questions on the DAMS eMedicos app. At that time I tried to solve DQB as much as possible so as to get into the habit of being able to solve the questions. At that time, Sumer sir and Deepti ma'am also came with the daily DQB task of solving 50 questions every day. So that is how I started solving questions. At that time, I was never in a habit to solve more than a few questions for on a go, and so therefore I could not really think of attempting 200 to 300 questions in a single go in the exam. I really got distracted. But with the DQB challenge, I started solving 50 questions, slowly increased that to 60, 70. And then when I came to 100 questions, I knew that yes, I could sit for the exam. After that, when I came into my internship year, I didn't have a lot of time to prepare. But DAMS had started the TND course for our batch, and so I joined the TND course. In the TND course, since I could not attend the live classes face to face, so we had the recorded sessions also on the eMedicos app. So I gave the test, made the notes, and tried to revise the subject. Every week, there was a test for each subject, and some subjects also had 2 to 3 tests to finish it, as they were the bigger subjects like medicine, surgery, obs gynae. So week by week I tried to cover the targets, even though it was not possible with internship to just stay on target each and every time. But still I tried, and slowly I tried to cover all the subjects as much as possible. Then after that, along with the TNDs, it is never possible to complete the course and then start giving tests. So by the end of last year, I started attempting grant tests. Grant tests helped me in 2 ways. First, they got me into the habit of solving questions. Since you have to solve 200 questions in a single go, it is not easy to do that without being distracted. So the grant tests helped me to prepare myself to be able to sit on that exam and give the 200 questions without being distracted. Second, my first grant test told me from where I start my preparation. It told me that on the areas I need to improve, the questions that I got wrong, I tried to cover them up in the further grant tests. So that was really helpful. Then last year October, I gave my first computer-based test, CBT by DAMS, wherein we have to go and give the test in the real exam center with an admit card and without taking any phone or electronic devices. So the environment is just like the real exam. So that helped me prepare for the exam, and because of these, I really didn't feel as if I was going for a big exam on the real exam day. It was like, yes, I'm just going for another CBT, and so these things really helped me get my rank. The course in MBBS is vast and it is not possible to cover all the subjects for the entrance examination. That's where the role of DAMS came. When the classes started, our notes were made to be really concise as well as conceptual. So after the notes, I knew which topics to read from my textbook. So that really helped me manage my time a lot. Attending the classes regularly during the weekends told me that yes, I have covered some sort of course during this time and gave me the confidence to go on and complete the course. The role of DQB was also important as the DAMS questions gave me an idea of how the real exam questions are going to be. So along with the subject classes, I tried to solve the DAMS question bank, and after that I tried to give the subject-wise test to just know that how I'm doing that very subject. When I joined my college in my first year, so our classes used to be from 8 o'clock in the morning. So my father used to leave early in the morning just to be able to drop me for the classes, even though he had to reach work by around 9 or 9:30. My mother is also a doctor in Loknaik Hospital, the hospital attached to MAMC. So she always used to get me back home and always used to prepare, like even when I used to stay in hostel, she used to come and give me lunch so that I don't have to eat the food of hostel.
We are very thankful to DAMS, especially Sumit sir. The DAMS has been an integral part of his journey throughout his MBBS, and he has been very dedicated in attending all his classes and tests.
Blessed to have him as a son. His name is Arman, and that's what he is. He's just what is as his name. Arman is a wish, and that's what he is. Whatever he does, he excels.
My grandmother always used to pray for me before my exam, so I always had that hope that yes, she's praying for me, so my exam will go well. And my grandfather has always been a strong support. He always helps me to decide my career choices, always helps me to, he supports me in all my choices. So yes, my family has had a big role to play.
अरमान तो इतना अच्छा बच्चा है, बचपन से हमारे साथ रहा है और बहुत मेहनती, एंड वी आर वेरी प्राउड ऑफ हिम. इनफैक्ट जब इसने अपनी रैंक मेरे को बताई फ़ोन पे, तो ही वॉज लाइव ऑन यूट्यूब, और मैंने वो लिंक फटाफट पूरी फैमिली को भेजा, और बड़ा अच्छा लगा सुन के कि इतनी मेहनत. ये तो पता था कि बहुत मेहनत करता है, पर ये नहीं पता था कितनी मेथोडिकल मेहनत करता है, और डैम्स ने इसको कितना अच्छी तरह से गाइड किया है. तो बड़ा अच्छा लगा मेरे को इसकी अचीवमेंट, एंड वी आर रियली प्राउड ऑफ हिम.
And he started crying that time. तो मैंने इनसे कहा आप रो क्यों रहे हो? कहते हैं नहीं, ये मेरे खुशी की आंसू हैं.
In DAMS, many faculties really had a big role to play in my journey. First, I would like to mention Sumer sir and Deepti ma'am, as they have always been with me throughout this journey. They have been personal mentors to me in this journey, and they have always helped me to know how to study at specific times of my journey. So my friends have also had a big role to play in my preparation. I would like to really mention Dr. Balaji, who has been my quiz partner throughout my MBBS. We always used to make quizzes together, go out to participate in different quizzes, and we have participated in hundreds of quizzes as a team and really won almost all of them. To my MD in medicine, as I really liked medicine as a subject, how we have to think a lot to make the diagnosis, and once we reach the diagnosis, a simple medicine can make the patient feel better and even save the patient's life. I really like that about medicine. And later on, I want to take up cardiology, as I've always loved cardiology since my second, third year in medicine postings. That anything is possible with hard work, and we all are in a noble profession, and we should all be proud to be doctors and just work hard towards a goal. I have always believed that it is the journey that matters more and not the destination. And DAMS has helped me a lot with this journey. It has made my journey enjoyable. I will really miss the DAMS classes when I move on from my college. Thank you, DAMS, for this wonderful journey.